So the breakdown is this: membership $24.95 per family, unless you got into a business where the business people are. So just for your family legal is $24.95. Family identity theft is also $24.95. Okay, and if you get them both, that's $49.95. You actually get somewhat of a discount. That's regular prices across the board. Now, if you want the 3 credit bureau service, all right, it's actually $5 more for the identity theft, but that gives you all 3 credit bureaus up to date, instantaneous monetization. Okay, so just in case you're wondering how the regular membership works, if you chose to get, I'm going to go over the other stuff with you real quick, because some people, they get a few things. So if you wanted the gun add-on, meaning you're a hunter, where I'm from there's a lot of hunters and everything else, that's an extra $12.95 added on to the legal plan. All right, if you got the home-based business supplement, which means no employees, and a lot of people will get that because they sell stuff or they cut grass for a living, or they drive Uber or Lyft or something like that, and they need the business plan, then that's a extra $9.95. And these are all month to month. So in other words, this is all monthly. So if you chose to get it, if you don't cancel whatever one of these are, then it's going to keep coming at you for that. Okay, and then like I said, extra trial defense, $9.95. That gives you more trial hours if you ever have to go to trial, if you're in a profession that you're afraid you're going to be sued for some reason. Okay, and then we have like a network marketing plan for $26. Then you got your 3 business packages, which means business 10, 50, and 99, which are $39.95, $89.95, and $149.95. Then you've got you have our CDLP plans, which are $31 and $51 for Super CDL. And now if you get those within a group, all those prices come down because we do businesses as in whole, because we get a majority. We have discounts on majority of people getting things instead of just one. So a lot of people pay $29.95 for a CDL plan, and it also waives the enrollment fees. The only things that have enrollment fees at this point right now, meaning that there will be, is if you sign somebody up for a CDL plan, say you went and got the CDLP class, the commercial driver's license course, you're allowed to sell the CDLP plan. So if you sign somebody up on your website, they're going to pay a $20 enrollment fee on top of the $31. If you sign them up on a paper app and you put them in a group, we waive the enrollment fee and we bring it down to $29.95. So you got to be careful with that. You got, like I said, you need to be vigilant of what people are getting and that there is an extra fee. There's nothing hidden on anything we do, and it's all right out there. But because, like I said, there's a lot of different things. It's kind of like getting Amazon and then actually getting Amazon Prime. You pay a membership for it, okay? The gun plan, and I'll go over every single plan separately later on, but I want people to understand that you don't need all these plans. All you need is to have one plan. You need to either have the family legal plan or the family identity theft plan, or you can have just the CDL plan. Okay, you can have all those individually, or you can get them together, and you'll get a discount if you get them together. Like anything else, you can bundle it. Okay, if you get a bundle, things are cheaper. If you get it in a business, things can go down because now we're offering it to thousands of people instead of just one individual person, and everything is usually cheaper and a discount. What the heck? Just literally cut myself on my steering wheel. No clue what happened there. So, anyway, keep that an advisement.